Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so the bears are pushing back a little bit. Let me zoom. We're hanging around the 9-day. Okay, they held the 9-day yesterday. We're below it now. It's coming in about 32.25. It's actually linked up with the hourly mid-band, which I'll show you in a second. It's pretty simple. Here's another opportunity for the bears to convert a key area on a closing basis and then hold that area in subsequent days. And if it can do that, then I think we head right back to the green line, to the daily mid-band, which is nothing out of the ordinary. It's not like throwing Wile E. Coyote off a cliff. It's just, upper band, middle band, lower band. It's the normal rhythm of the S&P and how it likes to trade. So that's really in play today, depending on what the 9-day wants to do. So hourly chart, and here we are. So they print 32.84, 3 a.m. 2 nights ago. Okay, it's a pretty steady down move yesterday. Price was trendy. It was a pretty sleepy trend day. I noted in the room we were short the 66 area, and it just slowly, through the lunch hour, we kind of looked up and we're like, wow, that's a 50 handle move, and we took a 40 handle runner. And going into it, it was the last kind of day where I really thought we were going to get that big of a move, but there it was. And so, it's like I tell you guys, you can be short. Look, we are short. I don't think the bears are worth a damn, but it doesn't mean I'm not short. Those are two entirely separate conversations. People get into trouble as traders when they try to identify themselves with one camp or the other. I'm a bull. I'm a bear. Oh, really? Do you have a jersey? Do they put an extra whatever in your account at the end of the month from the Society of Confirmed Short Traders Forever? I mean, if you do, let me know, because I've never seen that. It's okay to be short in an uptrend if you understand that this is what you're doing and this is where you're taking profits, and this is and you have a plan and you have risk handled. It's not okay to be short in an uptrend when you're just a confirmed you're a confirmed worshiper at the altar of we're done going up, and you're short it, and then you add and add and add and add, and then your entire account is wrapped up in what was supposed to be a 5-minute short trade. Happens all the time. As we head into today, you see the 9-day there. You see the hourly mid-band. They're locked up at 25. It's going to be a key area. Weekly pivots down here, 31.88.67. You see the pre-FOMC print from the last meeting up at 31. It's at 31.96 half. So they went straight down to the roundy. 99 quarter print. They go back and they retest the 9-day. So we're really jammed between the roundy at 3,200 and the 9-day at 32.25. Does that end up being a range-bound trade today? I don't know. I hope not. Either side has to avoid, the bears have to avoid just a very simplistic dip buy this morning that's going to bleed up into the weekend. And the bulls have to avoid making some kind of an attempt at a move up that then makes a lower low midday and doesn't come back. So I'll be very interested in the price action at the close today, as well as the price action in the 10 o'clock hour. But it really comes down to the roundy versus that 25. You've got volume weighted average price, proprietary moving average, and the 5-minute mid-band all jammed up between 16 and 17.5. So not really particularly helpful. What's more important to me is 25. And then the overnight lows. If you get a break of the overnight lows, then you got to take a long, hard look at weekly pivot there at 88.67. This is an area we haven't been back to since Sunday night, where we printed 90 quarter. That's the low of the week. So lots to think about today, and the bears have an opportunity. Bears have an opportunity to convert a key area, the 9-day, on a closing basis, and then try to extend that down into a test of the daily mid-band next week. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.